industry. People go to the deep forest and they cut the massive trees in that forest, and when the match illegal, but it is also not legal. So they do it with the elephant. And the other thing is elephant riding. Do you know about the elephant riding? I think you know. Maybe you have spot on the neck. That one is from the chain. When we do that chain very immediately, because in that places elephant keepers, they used to hit with the bull hook to get them force them to the work. Otherwise, if the elephant is stopped, they hit. So elephant have to do the work every time. They don't have freedom. They don't have enough food, enough water. They just have to do the work. Even in the elephant riding places, one elephant has to go carry 50, 60 people, not at once, one by one, to Sri Lanka, and we bring them here. We give enough food, enough water, vitamin, and everything they need. And yeah, this is our project. So early in the morning, we release the elephants to the forest, the big forest, and when they fill their stomach, they want to drink the water. They want to cool down in the water. It's working. It's doing hard work in some places. So that is our project. And yeah, around 5 years ago, when we get this elephant, he was very skinny and we could see the backbone very well. But now you can see there is no any backbone. You can't see any backbone. It's like a ball now. Before COVID, in the website you can see that. But unfortunately, COVID came and everything was done, finished. You know, it's happening even in the world. So by that,
What happened?
No. Actually, we don't buy the elephant. We rent out from that hard-working places. Every domesticated elephant, each elephant has one owner. So elephants are coming from generations. So we pay for the owner, for one hard-work elephant, we have to pay $1,500 to rent them per month. And with the food and the cost for the mahout also, it is $2,000, $2,000 per month for one elephant. During the, but that elephant, unfortunately, we had to let back to the owners because we didn't have enough money to keep them to give to the owners. Owners don't care about the elephant; they just want the money. So, no, owners, they come from generations because long back ago, Sri Lankan government gave the permission to the richest people in Sri Lanka to go to the wild and catch the baby elephant. So that's how domesticated elephant's life is started. So she is a captive elephant from the baby time, and she has been trained to do the hard work by speaking and teaching the language. So one common language. So they go and hunt the elephant for the island. So it's really bad for the elephant, but it's happening, it's still happening.
Also heard that a lot of them die in accident on the road, yeah?
Also accidents. The amount is getting low by that stage.
From those 4,000, how many are wild?
Wild elephants, altogether 4,000 elephants, but captive elephants, we have only 120 or 130 elephants in Sri Lanka. But all of them are doing hard work in many places. And
But it is a problem to
usually one elephant wants to stay in the water at one time for a long time. In that place, they don't have that. When the people come, they have to carry them to the water and come again with the other people like that. Yeah, domesticated elephants, captive elephants, they are staying at one place at a time. They can't go anywhere, even they don't know where to go.
Svoj koštujete si se pytání, svoj koštuje
We have to provide them. So, in that place, they pass the urine and the food, they sleep on that. That's why, yeah, by that way they get bacteria and